With so many people working remotely or hybrid, webcams have gone from being a useful PC accessory to a must-have gadget. Many laptops have built-in webcams, but using a dedicated webcam gives you a clearer picture and more customization options for video calls. Other important features, like improved low-light performance, autofocus, and bokeh, background blur, also differentiate dedicated webcams from laptop or monitor cameras. The best webcams will give your fellow participants a better look at you and allow you to come off as far more professional. Number 1. Logitech C920E. Logitech's tech accessories, from mice and keyboards to computer speakers, are generally well regarded for their quality-to-price ratio, and its C920E webcam is no different. The 1080p webcam will set you back well under $100 and offers all the essential features you'll need to justify the upgrade from your laptop or monitor's built-in computer camera. Its resolution is solid. 1080p is still the standard in the webcam world, though 4K models are becoming increasingly popular, and it has a pair of built-in microphones, which is handy in a pinch, or if you keep your laptop lid closed. It lacks cutting-edge AI features like face detection, but the C920E does support autofocus, which will keep your face looking sharp if you move around. Lights on the outer rim of the external camera's lens enclosure shine blue when the camera is recording, which is a good privacy feature, or reminder to close your video chat window. Number 2. Logitech Stream Cam. Unlock the potential of your creativity with the Logitech for Creators Stream Cam, a premium webcam designed for those who demand top-notch quality in their streaming and content creation endeavors. Boasting full HD 1080p resolution at a silky smooth 60 frames per second, this webcam ensures that every detail of your content shines with clarity and vibrancy. Equipped with a premium glass lens, the Logitech for Creators Stream Cam takes your visual quality to the next level. Experience crystal clear images and lifelike colors, providing your audience with an immersive viewing experience. The smart autofocus feature guarantees that your content stays sharp and well-defined, even as you move within the frame. Compatible with both PC and Mac, this webcam seamlessly integrates into your existing setup, making it a versatile choice for creators across different platforms. The sleek and stylish graphite finish adds a touch of sophistication to your workspace, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your streaming environment. Number 3. Logitech Brio. If you're constantly on camera for work, you'll want to step up from the Logitech 920E to its bigger sibling, the Brio. This is a 4K webcam, which offers a big jump in video quality, mostly by way of clarity, while retaining all of the key features that made us recommend Logitech's more entry-level model. The Brio has a lot of neat audio and video features, which are nice to have if you record in more challenging environments. Its noise-canceling microphone will tamp down unwanted sounds, sirens, buzzing fridges, external hard drives, so the people on your call can hear your voice more clearly. On the video side, the Brio's high resolution is complemented by automatic light correction, which will adjust how you look based on the conditions in your room. It won't save your skin the same way the Anker Work B600 will in an extremely dark environment, but it'll compensate for weak lights. One feature the Brio and Anker Works webcam have in common is the ability to switch between 3 different focal lengths to get the right crop. Number 4. Razer Kiyo Pro. If you're creating videos for social media and don't want to invest in a vlogging camera, Razer's Kiyo Pro is the solution. The webcam 1080p webcam can record video at up to 60 frames per second and allows you to switch between 80, 90, and 103-degree fields of view, so you can get the perfect crop for your shots without getting out of your seat. The camera's adaptive light sensor will compensate for dim lighting, while its HDR, high dynamic range, support will make colors pop. Most webcams don't support HDR, even though everything from TVs to smartphones can play back high dynamic range videos. The only drawback is that enabling HDR will limit the Kiyo Pro's frame rate to 30 FPS. This is unfortunate but unsurprising given the external webcam's sub $200 price tag. On the other hand, the Kiyo Pro's omnidirectional microphones have no such compromises and can record 16-bit 48 kHz audio. Its audio quality will be impacted by the construction and size of your room, but you can expect better than average results if there aren't any loud noises around. Number 5. Microsoft LifeCam HD 3000. There's an entire swath of cheap webcams available, but Microsoft LifeCam HD 3000 is the one we recommend to anyone looking for an inexpensive upgrade to their home office setup. The HD 3000 costs well under $30, and its tech specs reflect that. It tops out at 720p, less than Full HD, and can only record video at 30 frames per second. It does have autofocus, which we wouldn't expect from a webcam in this price range. Another plus to the HD3000 is its relatively diminutive size. This is the smallest webcam we're recommending, which means it's also the easiest one to travel with if that's one of your concerns. Microsoft's LiveCam HD3000 is a basic tool to get your video calls done without breaking the bank. If your needs and budget are modest, this webcam will still outclass the one built into your laptop.